We've got a little bit of a pullback going on in the cryptocurrency world today. Not that big of a deal, but still feels hard nonetheless. Now, after weeks of nothing but growth, it's okay to see a little stagnation. It's okay to see a little consolidation. It's okay to see these red days, especially since we're not yet curling back over and moving to the downside. We're simply running into resistance. Now, with that, analysts are still expecting very nice gains for Shiba Inu coin in the short term and in the long term. So we're going to go over some price predictions for Shiba Inu coin and really look at a lot of the, I guess, technical levels. 40% in the early as the beginning of August here. And then we're going to be looking at some longer term price predictions or longer term resistance levels as well. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, as you can see, Shiba Inu coin's price prediction is set to explode 40% as a breakout rally targets 2,100 points per coin. So looking at that, it says Shiba Inu coin could rally 40% to 2,100 points per coin by early August, according to CoinCodex machine learning predictions, with sentiment hitting bullish 72 levels. Now, the meme coin craze is heating up once again, and Shiba Inu coin is looking ready to join the party. While Dogecoin is already making moves towards 30 cents, Shiba Inu coin holders are getting some pretty exciting news from the machine learning algorithms that see big gains ahead. CoinCodex prediction system has dropped some bullish forecasts for Shiba Inu coin, and the numbers are catching attention. The algorithm is pointing towards a potential 40% surge to 2,100 points per coin, levels that we haven't seen since January of this year. Now, right now, it is a red day. Like I said at the beginning of the video here, Ethereum is pulling back a little bit. Bitcoin is pulling back a little bit as well, running into resistance at that $120,000 level. XRP, another major altcoin, pulling back a little bit after hitting all-time highs at $3.60. And even Shiba Inu coin, yes, pulling back a little bit, 1346 points per coin today, after once again getting rejected at that 200-day simple and exponential moving average level. Now, a run to 2,100 points per coin is going to bring us up to this level of resistance right here, both horizontal and descending. So, if Shiba Inu coin can confirm a move, not only above the 200-day exponential moving average, but also above this descending trend line, it could very quickly break out to that 2,000 point per coin mark. Now, it says what's got everybody talking is the shift in sentiment. The greed index for Shiba Inu coin specifically has jumped to 72, which is pretty high territory. When investors start getting this greedy, buying pressure usually ramps up fast, and that's exactly what the algorithms are picking up on. Sentiment, or the fear to greed index on the overall market, however, is a little bit lower at a level of 66 right now. So Shiba Inu coin at a level of 72, the overall market at a level of 66. Bullish nonetheless, but could still go much, much higher. So we're not overheated yet at the moment. But here's a couple things that we need to take a look at. How to buy cryptocurrency is already starting to tick back up. We are seeing new buyers come into the market. If you're looking at meme coin search volume, guys, meme coin search volume is ticking up. Now, it's nowhere near where it's been in the past, but it is ticking up at a level of 21 right now. And let's see if we can get altcoins on here. Nope, we got to type in altcoins. Altcoin search volume is near all-time highs, but of course, it is expected to more than double in the coming days and in the coming week. And if that's the case, guys, this is where the real explosion begins. Sentiment right now, interest right now in altcoins and meme coins is rising and rising fast. Today is simply just one of those red days. It's one of those days where prices come down. If we can persist through this, if people do not become fearful, we could see a very, very nice rally. So Shiba Inu coin short-term rally could hit in early August, and that's where it talks about the 1,800, almost 1,900 point per coin level, and then of course the 2,100 point per coin level. It says if you think that 40% sounds good, wait until you hear about the longer-term 3-month forecast extending into October. Now, this is a very important prediction, right? And I will probably break this down a little bit more in some future videos. But the algorithm is predicting a massive 158% rally to 4,400 points per coin by early October. Guys, October is going to line up perfectly with the historical trends of Bitcoin. Okay? You had the 2017 rally. This was the all-time high. And if you zoom in, you can barely see it on this graph right here, and I'm not going to zoom in. But 2013, November of 2013, was an all-time high, extreme bull market rally, taking Bitcoin, check this out, to about $1,000 per coin from just $100 per coin 2 months prior. Fast forward 4 years. Bitcoin explodes to 20,000. Fast forward 4 years later, end of 2021, guys, that November time frame. Look at this. November of 2013. Essentially, November, December of 2017. November of 2021. Leading into that October-November cycle in 2025, that 4 year later, this would coincide perfectly with the peak of the bull market. Yes, we have been rising, but we could see an exponential shift. $150, maybe $200,000 on Bitcoin, altcoins exploding, meme coins ripping. These price predictions from these AI agents or these AI networks out there predicting peaks in October coincides perfectly with previous bull markets. Therefore, I continue to buy. Now, one of the places I am buying is the KSX exchange. You guys got a link for it down in the description. By far one of the best exchanges in the US. You can trade meme coins like Shiba Inu coin on up to 75x leverage with literally 0% futures fees. So you're not going to find a better exchange, especially for futures in the United States. If you're looking at buying up meme coins, one of them that I've been stacking up, I've bought 3 separate times on token 6900. If you guys like that, you got a link for it down in the description. You're going to connect your wallet. And I like to connect via Best Wallet or Trust Wallet. Scan this QR code with the wallet on your phone. Type in how much you want, and those tokens are yours on launch day. The price is going to rise in the next 14 hours and 19 minutes. They've already raised $1.13 million, roughly $50,000, $60,000 from where they were last night, and a very good sign that people are still interested in them. There's a $5 million hard cap on token 6900, but this one is set to take advantage of meme coins like SPX 6900, and if I can find meme coins here, SPX 6900 at $1.71 right now is up 64, I believe, million% since its inception, guys. This is a huge rally from 3 zeros and a 17 to literally $1.70. Massive gains. So I'm buying in. I'm still diversifying into everything I can. If you guys are interested in it all, you got links for everything down in the description. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.